Okay, for this video, I'm going to teach you how to do my quick changes. So specifically on my code and probably on many others, when you click the paste bin button, it'll bring you to here. And usually in the beginning, they have like a quick find formula. So we're going to go ahead and copy this code real quick. I'm just going to go to the raw data. Actually, let me just Control C for control copy. And we're going to go ahead and paste it. So we're going to paste, update, reset. So you'll notice nothing changed. It's because I already had the character created a few minutes ago. So we're going to go back here. So we'll see the first thing that we need to do is find a new primary color. The primary color is this color on here, and you'll see all here too. So we're going to go ahead and change that. So if we go to coolers.co, you'll see that I have some colors already selected here. So when we get here, we're going to press select, and it's already going to be highlighted, so we're going to put Control C. So when we go back to here, we're going to highlight it all, Control F, and we're going to press all, and we're going to paste. Now when you update it, it's now blue. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to do these icons real quick, because that's the first thing we see. So we're going to go here, and we're going to see fast, fa, bat. Fast stands for solid. It's the type because you have solid, thin, ultra thin, things like that. But we're doing solid because that's what goes best here. So we're going to do solid, bat. So we're going to change that. So we're going to go here, and I already have shrimp selected. This is what fast stands for. It's just fa solid, and you'll see that they have regular, light, thin, and this. But we're just going to use solid. So we're going to type in fast fa shrimp. So we're going to go back to our code, highlight it all, Control find all. We're going to put fast fa shrimp. And we're going to update. So now it should be shrimp. And you'll even notice here that it is shrimp, but you'll do notice that it's not the same color as this. So we're going to change that. We're going to change this to a blue shrimp. So we're going to go back to testing. And now you'll see this weird code. This is RGBA code, but specifically what you see here is RGB. So we're going to get our primary color and convert it to RGB. So the reason why I really like using this site specifically is because when you go down here, you'll see picker, and it has all these cool different ones, but we're just going to use RGB. So now you'll see it converted. We're going to see red 67, green 97, and blue 238. These are the numericals. So we're going to go back to our code. We're going to highlight this section, put Control find. We're going to press all, and we're going to put, it was 6797238. So 67, 97, 238. And that should fix our things. So now you see it's a blue shrimp. And we'll also see that these have changed colors too. These are the lines. So next, I'm going to teach you more specifically an RGBA. So if we go to my other code over here, you'll see profile code, and we'll see this black box that's transparent. So the reason why I'm using RGBA on my credits is so that it can hide. So we'll see RGBA and 0.8. This is red, green, black, and we'll see alpha, and this is what the alpha is. The alpha is always going to be between 0 and 1, which is why it's a decimal. So if you wanted to change it, it would change the opacity. So think about opacity in a sense of like when you're doing art. So we'll see that here we have filter opacity. This is gonna be set for this one. We need to go to here. We'll just use this quick. So we're gonna do control. We're gonna highlight, control, fine. We're gonna press Alt, and we're gonna change it to 20%. So it would be 0.2, and we'd update. So now when we go to here and we refresh, now we'll see it's super thin. So that's what RGB and the specifically alpha does. So now we're back. So if you wanted to change these, you would go here and we would scroll down to right here where it says buttons, and you'll see the FA memo circle info, FA images, FA link. But you'll see that these are in FAR, and FAR is just the regular version. So it's like this outline rather than the solid. You could change these to anything you want, but just know for this specific code that it would just be FAR, because it looks best in these tiny circles. If you want to change like the size of the shrimp to like where you can tell the size, you could also go here and you could go to my code here, and you'll see FOSS FA shrimp. We're going to put FA 2x, or it's either 2x or x2. Let's check. Let's test. Yep. And now you have a very visible shrimp. But that's how you can change like these icon signs if you want these shrimp bigger, or you can't really do smaller, but you can do bigger. So you can change these. You can also change these if you want. So that really opens up the playing field. So thank you for watching. If I have another question that comes up, I'll go ahead and do another video on it. But thank you.